And today we're going to be checking out this little 14th scale 4-wheel drive buggy. That's right, this is a little brushed RC car that has 4-wheel drive. It's got a 60 amp ESC, it's got a metal chassis, metal shock towers, metal drivetrain. It's going to be very tough, very durable, and we're going to give it a nice little run right out here in the street in front of the house. We're going to jump some curbs, we're going to try to do some flips, and we're even going to put a GPS on it to see how fast it is. And what's even more cool about this is it's completely upgradable. It's right there at hobby grade if you ask me, and let's just go ahead and see what it can do. If you like what it does and you want to see what you get with the car, the unboxing will be after the test run. Let's get to it. All right, so here's the little car itself. We got it on the ground. We have our GPS, see if it's reading. Yep, it's reading. Let's go ahead, give this thing its first little test drive. Check this out. Of course, I'm not giving it the gas yet. Nice. Ooh, handles good. This thing for brushed is very spunky. I like it. Very controllable. Let's get one more speed pass. I'm going to say about 25. Just my guess. All right, let's go over here by the shadows. We're going to hit stop, read. 34 miles an hour. So 34 miles an hour for this little brush car is just crazy talk. That's insanely quick. If you were to upgrade this to a 3S, you would probably be around 50 miles an hour. The handling of this thing is insane. It handles and sticks to the ground like glue, but we still need to test it. We've only done a speed run. Let's go ahead and do a little bash session. I guess I better take off the old GPS there. We don't need that right now. Let's see what she's got. Was not great for the first jump, but that's my fault. Let's go ahead. Let's put it in the grass. Grass is very thick here. Plenty of power. Even with these little mini pins. Want to do a little dirt burnout? Let's see what it'll do in the dirt. Y'all ready? Kicking it. Let's do it again. This is definitely an all-terrain little vehicle. Let's jump this. Oh, nice little backflip. Sorry about that, neighbor. All right, so as you can see, this is quite a capable little RC car. This is of course before the test, but I figure that it's more exciting to see what it can do, and then if you're still interested, then you can stick around and watch the unboxing. So let's go ahead, open this up, see what all you get. I did pull the battery out already because I have it charging. Here is your charger. You also get a wheel wrench and a booklet. And we're going to pull these sides out. And here's the little RC car. It's got friction shocks or potentially light oil in the shocks. They are aluminum shocks. We're going to go ahead in just a second and pop this top off and give you a full walkthrough of the RC car itself. And then you just have your transmitter right here. It's got a little foam wheel on it. It's got 4 modes right here, off and on. And it's going to require 4 AA batteries. We'll have to go in and get those. So that's everything you get in the box besides the batteries, of course. Let me go get the batteries. Here's the battery themselves right here. You can see you do get 2 packs for twice the fun, twice the run time. And now we're going to pull the little Lexan body off. And if you look underneath, you got your speed control. It is a big 550 brush motor. But here's what's really cool about this is you have an aluminum chassis. And it also has these mini pin tires, which are going to be great for concrete. They're also going to be great for carpet runs and carpet racing. But that doesn't mean you can't take it off-road as well. It's just an all-around good tire that's not too aggressive. You have adjustable toe, adjustable camber in the rear. It has an aluminum, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a red aluminum drive shaft from front to back. It does have all metal gears, differentials in the front and the back, a little mini steering servo with a built-in servo saver. So as you can see, this little car is super quick, super zippy, has great control. You can jump with it, you can bash it. I tumbled into a brick wall and it's holding up just fine. This is going to be a great little RC car for that beginner, because you can turn the throttle down and make it slower until they learn how to drive. But this is also going to be a nice little front yard basher for the seasoned vet as well, because everything is done. It's ready to go. It's quick. You don't have to make any upgrades. Just throw it in the front yard and have a great time. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.